Nagulat ka, no?
Yun.
New project po sa amin dito sa Fantasy Resort. Yan na po, dumating po ang ating mga panels. Didiskarga na po namin. Medyo maulan po. This is a new project, new life, and new beginning. Hang on. So, diskarga na po namin ang ating mga railings.
Oh guys.
Yo. Diskarga na namin ang mga panels, railings. Nagulat ka, no? Meron din ako dun, no? Samantala po namin tinigil ang aming pagbuhat kasi tingnan nyo naman, bulan.
Vlogger na tayong kasama eh.
Ayan mga kasama po natin. At andun po yung iba.
Guys,
So,
uniform natin guys oh.
Yung uniform namin.
Guys,
Green Planet Renewable Energy Solution. O, diba?
Bagong-bago pa.
Very challenging yung pagdidiskarga namin ng mga panels. Kasi this is the first day, new project, new beginning, new fantasy resort, diba? Document namin.
Ang ikit na
Ang saya.
Kumangkat ako, mga 20. You know, thank you. Woohoo.
Ano yan? Pakilang panel mo na yan, di ba?
Yan.
Oh bro.
Yos.
1 minutes ba? Dapat 1 minute.
Nakahatin ay 1/3 lang yan.
Umulan, gumagyo. Ayos lang.
Alright guys. Ayan guys.
Where the small airplanes are being flown away. Pinapalipad. So cute po dito sa airport. Kasi this is beside our work today. This is a fantasy resort over there. So mga nag-aaral na magpalipad, dito po sila. Dito na tayo sa work. May binili lang tayo. This is the second day actually. Kahapon nandyan na yung mga panels delivered dito. At ito na, Fantasy the full welding the ladder, the fabricated ladder that we just made. And this is our boss Nico, MJ,
Red Bull.
si boss Red Bull. Right, so finally we were able to fix the ladder, and we're lifting up those panels from that area going to the roof. Ayan na po, we're securing the panels para hindi siya mag-trip off. Yan, para pagdating niya sa taas hindi siya kakaroon ng aberya. Yan na siya, oh. Diba? Galing, diba? Diba? Okay. Lock!
Kopya!
So ilalagay po nila doon sa baba para hindi mag-slide going down. Tapos bubuhatin na po namin papunta doon.
Okay, let's go!
Alright. Team installer and si MJ. Hello MJ.
Hey, what's up, yo?
Yeah, let's jump it. Alright. Ito ang Fantasy Resort. Yan po sa baba namin. May swimming pool sila. Labo.
Perfected na ito.
Yes. Ganito namin ini-install ang railings. Yan. Yan ang glamping resort. Lagi kong pini-feature. Ganyan yung style ng kanilang mga kubo-kubo. We're starting to install all those railings muna. Pagkakapitan ng panels. So after lifting all the panels from the bottom there, inuna muna namin gamit ang ladder fabricated. Ito na po yung mga panels na linagay namin sa taas. And look at this, we're able to start installing 6 panels at the edge of the roof. Yeah. Yan na siya. So that's good. It's a work in progress. So antabayanan niyo po, ha. Alright. Naipasa namin doon. So sila naman papunta roon at ilalagay doon sa kabila. So ganito lang po. Hide. So ganito lang po ang aming work. If you need to lower down your bill or zero your bill, just contact us or message us and we will do the job for you. Alright? Ayun, pababa naman yung sampay. So I think this is how it works. And salamat sa panonood sa aking YouTube channel, Brave TV. Sa mga gustong masyal dito sa Fantasy Resort and their glamping resort, napakaganda po yan. Dito lang po. Yan, may Fantasy and the glamping resort. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. If I were you, this is a 100 kilowatt what we're going to install here at Fantasy Resort, and this will be enough to lower down or to zero out their bill. Salamat. God bless. Thanks for watching Brave TV. Bye bye.